I will be installing Super Glides on the V2 Pro. So we're going to be removing this mouse feet. So the first step I did was, of course, turn off the mouse. So the first thing I'm going to do first is unbox this, of course. It comes out like this. Texture-wise, pretty slippery. Let's compare it to the plastic feet. Yeah, this is definitely way smoother. The glass feet is like more smooth. Alright, let's get this installed. What I remember doing on the Ultimate was getting some alcohol and just peeling and just getting it on this and peeling it off. So I'm gonna do that right now. I got here alcohol, so I'm gonna pour it onto this cap. You don't need a lot, so I got this tissue, dip it in, and I'm gonna wipe it over the mouse feet where I want to remove it. I'll let it soak there for a little bit while I get the prying tool. So what I suggest you use is maybe use like a flat head screwdriver like I have here, or you can, if you're like, maybe you can use like a knife, but I'm gonna be careful and use this flathead. So I'm just gonna dig it through here, just try and get it off. See, this should come cleanly off like this. Oh crap, okay. Wasn't as cleanly off as I imagined. Maybe I needed more alcohol, but this is fine. Rub a little bit more alcohol on it. Should come off. This is a big one. I'm not sure about it, but come off like this, like with the rest of them. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Damn, that's cool. I didn't know that. So they cut out little holes in the base of the bottom to make it weigh less. So, okay, one more bit of alcohol, and then just clean off the excess glue from the feet from before. So I'm just gonna clean it off. Get it as clean as possible. That's about as clean as I'm gonna get it. See, it's pretty clean. No more glue on it. So I'm gonna let it rest here while I clean up. It's crucial that you let the alcohol like dry off while in the air, or you get a paper towel and just wipe it off. But I'm just gonna let it rest and just let it dry. You make sure it's all dry. Even if there's some extra glue on it, it should be fine. It should be completely dry now. So I'm gonna get my Super Glides out. Back here now. I'm gonna take it out. It's already glue pre-installed on the back of it, so you don't have to add more glue. But just take it out like this, and then just stick it on like any other skates that you would, plastic with glass. But for the first one, I'm just gonna do it here. Once it's in that enclosure where it was before, so I'm just gonna squeeze on it for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, you just do the exact same thing. Take it out, this, basically putting on stickers. Just do the same thing. Yes, and then you squeeze on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, should be stuck on there pretty tightly. Okay, now for the last bit. On the bottom like this. Make sure it's seated in correctly. Okay, mine's pretty good in now. Just squeeze on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's the final result. Finished result. Here's the side profile of it. Okay, let's do some glide tests. As you can see, it pushes the mouse further than the stock skates, only by like about this much, like this much, that tiny bit. Yeah, it'll perform, I'd say, the same as the stock skates, but at least with this one's, like, as long as it doesn't break or something, it never needs to be replaced like the plastic ones. Performance rise, like on glass, on this right in the mid. As you can see, micro adjustments are really nice. Like, I can move my mouse anywhere I want pretty easily. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but there's just scratching sound. Can you hear it? There's just scratching sound, so I'm not sure if it's just because the glass isn't broken in yet or something. Is that why it doesn't make that noise, or there's a whole lot of dust on my mouse pad? But I'm not sure. I wipe it down basically every day.
so it is pretty clean. But if it's that, then that's probably what explains it. But when it gets broken in, I'm sure it'll be more faster. But right now it's pretty good out of the box, and over time it will soften and get quieter, so I just gotta wait for that. But yep, overall I'm pretty happy with the performance gain. I guess it's not really a performance gain because out of the box it'll perform the same as the stock feet. But other than that, I guess if you don't want to replace your feet for a while, for 20 bucks, you'll get feet that basically last forever, like your entire lifespan. But unless you like drop a hammer on this and it breaks, then yeah, it'll definitely break. But other than that, these glass feet will last you a long time. Yeah, that's about it.